Welcome to CYCU Soil Mechanics Laboratory. I'm your tour guide and teacher Wang Kai. Today I will show you the fascinating world beneath our feet. Every inch of soil holds the engineering secret we need to unlock. Soil mechanics help us to understand how to generate stable foundations. Let me introduce our basic testing equipment. Sieve analysis giving soil a complete health checkup. At-birth limits test discovering soil's true personality. Experiments capture soil's weight and compaction condition. Testing ensures construction meets requirements. Direct shear test measuring soil's resistance. Soil testing are the foundation of all great engineering projects. Now, let's explore advanced equipment shortcuts. Machine reduce the risk from hammer impacts. These two advanced measurements allowed us to obtain the real soil strength. Here, theory comes alive through hands-on experience. Thank you for your listening.